Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. Today, I'm going to share how our table number change function works. How to get here. You may refer back my previous tutorial. Currently your customer sitting at table numbers 2. Request change to table number 6. Let's get started. First you must recall back your customer seated table number. Either use floor plan or recall function. After that, key in the table number that which your customer requests to change from number pad. Hit the table number change button. The table number already successfully changes. Remember to hit hold sale button. Your kitchen site will receive the docket showing that all orders from table number 2 change to table 6. End of day at X and Z report is under table change log section. Table number change is a record showing receipt amount, when is changed and changed by whose. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.